Here's how to reduce lag in Parsec. First, make sure you are using a stable wired connection rather than Wi-Fi whenever possible. Open Task Manager, go to Processes, and close any unnecessary apps using heavy CPU or memory, leaving only Parsec and anything essential running. In Parsec, go to Settings, then the Host tab, and scroll down to Bandwidth Limit. Set a reasonable value, typically between 25 and 50 Mbps, depending on your network speed. Make sure you are using hardware encoding, such as NVIDIA or AMD's encoder, found further down in the same tab. If you cannot find that option, scroll down and edit the configuration file directly, adding the line encoder selection equals 1 for NVIDIA, 2 for AMD, or 3 for CPU/Intel encoding, then save and close the file. Go back to Settings, then the Client tab, and set the decoder to NVIDIA if using an NVIDIA encoder, or switch to software decoding if you are not using hardware encoding at all. Turn off VSync if it is currently enabled. Close and restart Parsec after making these changes, and you should notice a significant reduction in lag during your sessions. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.